everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Dogpool from the new Deadpool versus Wolverine. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Dogpool, let's begin by drawing the face. So I'm going to begin right here at the eyes. Let's start by making a circle for one eye. Then let's leave some space and we'll make another circle for the other eye. Next, let's go ahead and put a circle kind of towards the side of each eye. Then let's put another circle down here. Then we can go ahead and color in each one of these circles. And the little spaces that we left, that's just going to be a little bit of reflection. Now for the nose, let's begin by making a little line that just kind of curves up and down. Then let's draw a line that's going to go down and then up. Then let's make a little line that goes down on each side. Next, let's draw a line that's just going to curve down. And let's draw a line over here that's just going to curve down. Let's bring this line up to here. And let's do the same thing over here. Let's bring this line right up here. Now let's make that crazy long tongue. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to go down, and that's going to kind of curve a little bit. Then we'll bring this back and kind of curve it up. Next, we'll just kind of make another curve in here. Then let's draw a line that's going to go down. We'll come up and down here. Then we'll make a little line right here. Next, let's add a little bit of fur down here. So I'm just going to make a few little zigzag lines right here. And then let's make a few little zigzag lines over here. Then we're going to put a couple zigzag lines up here and a couple zigzag lines here. Next, let's bring this line up and bring it to here. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll bring this line up and just kind of bring it to here. Now let's put the goggles around here. So let's begin by making a line that's going to come up and then down. And we'll do the same thing here. We'll just go up and down. Then we're going to go down and up. And we're going to go down and up. Then we're just going to make a line across. Next, we'll go up and down. And then we'll go up and down in here. And then we'll just go down and up and connect it. Same thing here. Just go down and up and connect it. Then I want to put a little rectangle shape on each side here. And then let's make a little line underneath each eye for a little bit of detail. Now let's put some more fur on top of the head. So let's begin by making a couple little zigzag lines like this and a couple little zigzag lines like this. We'll make another one here. Then let's put a few zigzag lines all the way across here just to make some more fur. Now, for the ears, we want to start up here. Let's begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, and it's going to go down, and then back up. Same thing on this side. Let's just go up, we'll come down, and then back up here. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go down. We'll come over to the tongue. Then we're going to jump over here and come right to here. Now, let's work on the body. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. Right here, let's curve a line that's going to come down here. And same thing here, let's curve a little line that's going to come down. Let's bring this line across, and then let's go ahead and bring this line across here. Next, I want to bring this line up, and same thing here, bring this line up. Then let's make a little line across here. And then for the back legs, let's draw a line that's going to come down. And then same thing here, a little line that's going to come down. Then let's draw a line that's going to go out and in. And same thing here, out and then in. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down here. Same thing, let's go up, and then go down. Then let's draw a line that comes up, and then another one here. And then same thing, line comes up, and another one here. Then let's draw 2 lines across here. So it looks like he's wearing his little sneakers. And then let's draw 2 lines across here. We'll bring a line that's going to come down here, and then a line that'll just kind of come up and jump up here. Then we'll make a little line back here, and we'll put a second one. And then right in here, we're going to make the Deadpool logo. So starting here, let's just make a circle. Then we're going to make 2 lines that come down. Then we'll make a diagonal line on each side. And a little smiley face. Then let's put 2 more lines right here. Right here we'll draw a line and a line. And then we'll make a line here and a little line right here. And there you go, there is your drawing of Dogpool. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.